everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. We are back with another DIY Easter video. So let's hop right into the materials that you're going to need in order to create this look. So you would need 2 of these containers that I purchased from Dollar Tree. You would need some Easter grass, which is what is already inside of the container. I have also purchased some Easter bags. You will need some Easter eggs, and I have already filled these up with candies. And lastly, you would need a teddy bear as well, if you want to include a teddy bear or not. I just included that just to make it look a little fuller. Okay, so the first step is to add your grass, which I have already done. And now you want to start placing your eggs inside of the bowl with the grass. Okay. Just remember, if you are adding anything extra inside of this container, that you do not fill this one up too far, because it would not have you won't have enough room. So after you have placed your Easter eggs inside of this container, I'm now going to place my bear on this one with the face coming through the bottom part. Okay. Okay, so once you have done that, you want to now place these 2 on top of each other, like so. Okay, and you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now in order to hold these 2 pieces together, I am going to place some tape on each side. A thin strip of tape. You don't need too much. Okay. Alright. That side is down, and now I'm going to place a strip of tape on the other side. Perfect. Now you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so that's for the next step. I took my gift bag and I cut it down in the middle. So now I have 2 pieces. And what I'm going to do is wrap the bag around the center of my project, just like this. Okay? Once I have placed my bag in the center, I now have some cellophane, and I am wrapping my wrapping this container inside of the cellophane. Okay? So just completely wrap it until you are at the end, and then you're going to make sure you place a piece of tape right here to hold this piece in place. Okay? Okay, so once you have put your cellophane on, I have already done one end. I'm just going to repeat the same step on the opposite. So you're going to take some string or whatever you have. You're going to wrap it around the cellophane bag, and you're going to pull tight so that the cellophane forms right inside of the shape of the bows. Okay? So I just press that tightly, tightly. Okay. Click off my string. And this is the finished look. Which I really like these bows because they already have like this little, the little base part, which is perfect for what I was going for, and this is the completed project. So I hope that you all enjoyed this DIY project. If you give it a try, make sure you tag me in it, and if you have any questions, then leave them down in the description box below. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.